What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer or send crypto from Bitget wallet to Binance. So if you're looking for a way to transfer your crypto from Bitget to Binance here, there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So first, since we want to transfer to our Binance account, we want to go ahead and get our address. So you want to go to Binance.com, log into your account. Now at the top right of the screen, you want to go and click on deposit. Now from here, choose deposit crypto. Now, in here, you want to go and choose the crypto that you want to send. So, for example, maybe I want to send ETH. So, you could go and just choose ETH here or Ethereum. Now, for network, you want to make sure that you select the appropriate network that you want to use. So, usually people use the ETH network here. So, in my case, maybe I want to use that one. And from here, let's go ahead and click on the copy button. Now, let's go ahead and head over into our Bitget account. Now, from Bitget, we want to go and click on our wallet at the very top here. And in here, you want to go and choose the option here that says withdraw. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from the withdraw option here, you should have the option to choose your coin. Now, maybe, I want to maybe transfer Ethereum. Let's go and choose that one. Now, from here, you could choose your network. So in this case, whichever network you chosen before, you want to make sure that that is the one that you're choosing here. So make sure the network matches. Now, if the network doesn't match, you may your crypto or assets may be lost, so you won't be able to recover them. Again, just make sure network's going to be correct. Now, once you've chosen that, you can just enter your withdrawal address here, click on next, and confirm a few things. But once you've confirmed your transaction here, typically just a few seconds or a few minutes, it should complete your transaction. But then again, it's going to be a waiting game, but from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.